Now that we have our boards ready, we can start pinning images and videos onto them. That's the process of finding an image or video that you'd like to add to your board and then pinning it onto the board. Repinning refers to the ability to pin any other Pinterest posts onto your own Pinterest board. One way to do this is by using the Pin It button, which is found on many websites. For example, on Etsy.com. If you see an image you like, you can usually find a Pin It button next to the other social media buttons, like Tweet. If you click Pin It, the image will pop up, and a drop-down box will let you choose which board you'd like to pin the image on, and the description. Pinterest automatically fills in the description for you, but if you'd like, you can change it to something else. Cute owl shoes. And then click the red Pin It button to put it onto your Pinterest board. Success! Let's click See Your Pin so we can see our pin in action. And there it is. Another way of adding images or videos onto your Pinterest board is by clicking the Add Plus button at the top of the page. When you click that, in the middle you'll see an up arrow that says Upload a Pin. You can click that image and then upload a pin by clicking Choose a File and then selecting the image you'd like to pin onto your board. You then choose the board you'd like to pin your image on and write a short description. Fuzzy owl shoes. Then click Pin It, and the image has been pinned onto your shoes board. Another way of pinning images is by searching Pinterest itself for images. You do that by using the search box on the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Let's search for owl shoes. Our search results come up, and when you mouse over a picture, you'll notice that there's a repin button. If you click that repin button, that image will be repinned onto the board of your choosing. Owl shoes. Notice that it fills in the description for you, but you can change it any way you'd like. I'm going to change this to say purple owl shoes, and then click Pin It, and it will say Repin to Shoes. You can click See It Now to see the image that you've just pinned onto your new board. Sometimes websites do not have a Pin It button already installed. However, it is very easy to install your own Pin It button to your browser toolbar so that you can pin almost any image you find on the internet. To do this, first mouse over to About, and then hover over the Pin It button. Click that, and you'll be taken to a page that says Apps and Bookmarks and Buttons, oh my. If you scroll down, you'll see the Pin It button. Pin things you find on the web. There's a red Pin It button, and it says drag this button to your toolbar. It explains that the Pin It bookmarklet lets you grab images and videos from around the web and add them to your Pinterest boards. All you have to do is click it when you see something that you want to pin. And all we have to do is click this button and then drag it onto your browser's toolbar. We have the Pinterest Pin It bookmarklet added onto our browser. We can add just about any image from any website simply by clicking it. For example, let's pin an image from myowlbarn.com. Just click the Pin It button and Pinterest will pull up many different images from the website. Choose one that you want to pin onto your board and click Pin It. The image will show up along with the board that you'd like to pin the image onto and a description, which you should feel welcome to change. Click the red Pin It button and voila. The image has just been pinned onto your Pinterest board.